Many decorators get more work from business-to-business sales and prefer to work with company rather than customer accounts. In the latest DecoNetwork release, we've added that feature. On the left-hand side, you'll find a new company section where you can see the company accounts you're currently managing. You can view them or add a new company. When viewing a company account, you're able to see all of the assigned contacts. Let's go into the order section and see how we could add a new order for a company account. We'll choose Add New Order. In the order screen, we have the ability to add a new company contact. We can select from our existing company accounts and add the new contact. Once we've added that new company contact, we can go ahead and proceed as usual, adding products onto the order. One of the main benefits of managing company accounts is being able to keep track of that company's outstanding balance and generate a statement for orders across all of their contacts. Let's go back into Remax and generate a statement. We can go ahead and select an on-demand invoice for a specific period of time. Once generated, we can find it from the account statement screen. We can view that statement and you'll see it's going to contain all of the open outstanding invoices for that company, even though they're assigned to different contacts. Another benefit of company accounts is the ability to assign roles to contacts within the company. For example, you can configure a contact to manage payments and receive notifications about confirmed payments, payments due, or deposit requirements. You can also configure someone to be a manager and receive notifications about all company orders. This flexibility with roles allows you to more easily work with your business-to-business customers and easily stay in touch with them.